There are illustrations with descriptions. Outstanding and interesting features of WWOAA Electric Spin Scrubber. If you searching WWOAA Electric Spin Scrubber, in this video, we are introduction outstanding and interesting features with reviews from people who have already bought it, if any. Following, we will introduce outstanding and interesting features are include. Powerful and efficient. The power scrubber using high-quality motor, which can make your cleaning tasks efficient and easy. Give up your traditional cleaning tools and get our electric cleaning brush. You can easily clean your shower, bathroom tile floor, bathtub window and make entire house look new. 2 adjustable speeds and 2500 mAh battery capacity. The electric spin scrubber has 2 working speeds, low speed, 280 round per minute, high speed, 350 rounds per minute to meet your different cleaning needs and cope with different levels of stains. The electric cleaning brush has a 2500 mAh battery, which can work for up to 120 minutes and be fully charged within 2.5 hours. Battery level display and 4 multi-purpose brush heads. Thanks to the latest USB-C fast charge technology and battery level display function, it is convenient for you to check the battery power more clearly and charge it in time. The electric spin scrubber kit includes 4 replaceable brush heads. Different brushes can meet all your cleaning needs. Lightweight and IPX7 waterproof. This handle power cleaning brush is super lightweight and very easy to pick up and use to clean surfaces without getting tired. The power scrubber is highly sealed to prevent damage from water. You can wash it directly under the faucet. Questions or things to know. To make a decision before buy WWOAA Electric Spin Scrubber and get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Of course, if there is a problem after purchase, please comment and tell us. To be useful to people who are searching in the future. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe button, press the bell, select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video with video introduce the latest products YouTube channel.